Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we have here the new Canon M100. This is going to be the new camera for our channel, but first we have to review it. We have here the Canon M100 as I said. Here are the pixels, 24.2 megapixels. Dual pixels, iOS, clear view, Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth. Here we have just some instructions, and here we have the things that are included in the package. We have the digital camera, EOS M100, zoom lens, M15 45mm, neck strap, battery charge and battery pack. So immediately when we open, we have the papers for the M100, instruction and user manual, how you want to call it. We have some promotion here, and here is the user manual. As you can see, it's very good that you have a user manual that tells you everything that you need to know about the M100. Let's go ahead and open it. And here we have the camera itself. It's wrapped to protect it from scratch. Let's be gentle with that. And here we can see the camera itself. We're going to be back to the camera later. Let's see what we have here. We have the lens. As we can see, they both are in two protection wrap from damage. As you can see, here is the lens. Here we have the charger. It's a battery charger. And we have the straps as it said in the box. So this was all that we have here in the box. We got some more things for this camera that are not included in the box. We paid extra. We have this bag with more stuff that we put inside. Here we have a starter kit. We have a kit to clean the camera, which is very useful. It comes in hand. Here we have the light optic. We have a USB. We have the head of the lens, memory card, a spray to clean it, another memory card, extra battery, a strap for your hand if you want to connect it and to use it with your hand. And we have another strap for your neck. As you can see, we have in this bag plenty of things, but we got two other things that are very useful if you take pictures or videos in nature. Here we have the professional wide angle lens. So this is the lens for the wide angle. And we have another lens for telephoto. As you can see, is 49 millimeters, and they have difference between them. So one is for wide angle and one is for more professional photos. So let's put back all this thing together, and we will be back and show you the M100 in details. And now here we have the M100 itself. We can now assemble all the pieces. We had first to take off the cap in the M100 and the lens, and you have a white dot here, if you can see, and here as well. So you have just to make sure they are in line, and here we have the lens now is connected. We can go and open it to be able to activate and to use it. So as you can see, we have here the basic option. For a camera, we have autofocus, picture, and video. In the middle we have the on and off button. Here we have a button to take picture, and we have the option to slide the picture and see in the screen. Next to the picture button we have the record button. These two are for the strap, the neck strap, if you want to hook it up. Here we have a position for your thumb. Is very good position to put your thumb and to maneuver with your finger. We have the menu button. We have a button for more options. Here we have in the bottom we have the, how you want to call it, I call it the gallery. So if you press this, you can see all the photos and videos that you took. You have your information, your delete, to delete the one picture or one photo. You have your flash and more button here. As you can see, the M100 screen raise up, so you can use it for a vlog or to see the person that you're taking picture. In the left side we have the flash button. So if you just press it, the flash will come out very fast. So you can use the M100 flash in night to take picture without any problem. Here we have the HDMI port. As you can see, with a micro USB, and you just click it to put it back. Next to that we have the SIM card slot. So let's go ahead and put it on right now, and then we can test the M100 with some photos. Here I have the SD card, and you hear a click when it's in the place. In the bottom we have, in the middle here the port where you can connect with a tripod, and here we can read the battery. If we open it, we have the slot for a battery. Let's go ahead and plug that in as well so we can turn it on and use it. So here we have the battery. So we have 4 slots here, and we can see the slots in the bottom. So we just had to push it until you have this little plastic. Grab it and hold it in place. And now I think it's ready to power it on. As you can see, now you're able to use it. Here we have a security pin. We just had to push it forward to be able to move the zoom or the lens. So for example, as you can see, after I press the pin, push it forward, now I'm able to maneuver with the lens. And now we have the opportunity to shoot with the Canon M100. In case you didn't know, the M100 is screen touch. So you can see, for example, here we have the self timer, we have driving mode, here we have the moving record size, image size, and in the top we have the AF method. Here we have a back button. In the right side we have white balance, picture style, and auto lighting option. So here we can see how the records go, or the picture. Let's go ahead and test it out. So you can see the thumb sits very good here, very comfortable. You just press the button and we have the photo here. If you go to the gallery, you can see the photos that you took, and you can control them without any problem. Let's go ahead to the menu, and in the menu we have here plenty of options. As you can see, we have in the first we have protect, rotate, erase, rating, and slideshow. Next we have list play, image search, creative filters. In the third place we have raises, cropping, red eye correcting, raw image, print settings, photo book setup. In the fourth we have tracing effort, index effect, scroll display, and auto rotate. So you can customize your own settings here. In the fifth and the last in this option we have resume and playback information. Next we have the tool image here. We have create folder, file numbering, format, and video system. In the second we have echo mode, power saving, display brightness. We have time zone, date and time, language, In the third we have beep, operation volume, hints and tips, mode icon, touch operation, and screen auto lock setting. In the fourth we have video connecting, wireless settings, GPS setting, certification logo display, copyright info, and reset camera. So as you can see, these are the menu that we have. Here you can put a name for this camera. You just go back and as you can see here in the display, we have the resolution and all the information about the camera that you need to know when you're taking pictures. And here we have all the buttons for this camera. So basically these camera have the same button and the same option. So you can go here and control everything. You can see that every buttons have their own specific setting. So we took some pictures and some videos to show you how this works, and we can see that right now. Let's test the photo with the flashlight, and we can turn it off. So guys, this was all for the Canon M100. If you are interested in anything, or if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment down below, and we will try to reply to all of you that you have problem with these kind of things. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe our channel, turn notification on, and see you in the next time.